Many a times we over exaggerate yesterday and we overestimate tomorrow, and unfortunately we underestimate today. It all boils down to today. And if you make a decision once about certain things, which I'm going to share right now, you have to consciously make a decision once about certain things, and then you and I need to manage them daily. So this is about making our today the best, and that matters the most. So what are those 5 things that I want to share that you need to decide consciously once and manage them every day? The first thing, since I'm telling 5, so I'm telling it 1, 2, 3. The first is our attitude. Our attitude will help us create possibilities. It is about how you are looking at things, how you are approaching. It is way too crucial. I've been in the corporate world for a long time, and end of the day, it boils down to not your academics or your achievement. It is about your attitude and my attitude. It is just that I'm telling you. So make a decision about your attitude every day. Second, make a decision about priorities, because when you prioritize, you and I get focused. Unless we are focused, how can we achieve anything in life? So make a decision once and manage them daily. And the second one is about priority. And the third one, and within priority, probably you can actually ask a couple of questions. One important question that we need to ask to look at how to prioritize is, what is required of me? Are you in a habit of asking that? I ask that question every day. What is required of me today? So that I do certain things to accomplish what is required of me. And then it is not only that, what is going to give me the greatest result and the greatest reward? These are some important questions to ask. Now, not only you will make a decision about attitude, not only will you make a decision about priority, you need to, especially what has COVID-19 taught us, if at all, health matters, right? You need to make a decision about health, because that is where you and I get strength. Unless you and I are healthy, how are we going to achieve anything in life? The fourth one is about family. Family gives us stability, and we have to maintain those good family relationships so that there is stability in our life. And the fifth one is our thinking. And when we have the right thinking, we go about achieving. Good thinking leads to a lot of success. And it is very important that each day you are making a decision once about these 5 things and you manage them daily. Then you and I can make the best use of today, because today matters the most. Paul, when he writes to the Ephesians, he talks about the kind of days that they were living, and it's applicable to today as well. In Ephesians chapter 5, verses 15 to 17, he talks about walk carefully so that you don't walk like fools, and you redeem the time because the days are evil. It is so very important. And how do I redeem time? That is the today that God has given us. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow we don't know. So since we learned about how to manage today to make the best use of it, when you look at the scripture, it is about redeeming the time wisely. And the verse says in verse 17 of Ephesians 5:17, knowing the will of God. Each day, look to the Lord, ask for His will, and accordingly redeem the time in the most effective manner.